Good day everyone. My name is Mary Ann Cartagena from BSN 1A. So I'm going to assess of the abdomen of my patient, male. So first is I will introduce myself and I will instruct or I will explain the procedure. So hello sir, my name is Mary Ann Cartagena. I will assess your abdomen. So I will ask the uh, problem to his abdomen. So sir, do you have any pain to your abdomen?
Wala po.
Okay. So I will inspect the contour of abdomen. So her abdomen is circle. Um, and also uh, the symmetry. There has no any evidence that he has any problem to his skin. So abdomen is symmetrical, bilaterally, no bulging, visible mass or asymmetric shapes. Skin color, skin is not really smooth. And yes, stripe present. He has mole. He has 6 moles here. And the umbilicus is in the not really in the middle of his abdomen. No any scar. Maybe it because he has no any operation that uh, he has before. So problems to his skin and also the colors. So next is I will also auscultate the vowel sounds. Yes, they have root sounds are present. So then I will percuss I will auscultate the vowel sounds. So I will use a stethoscope. Use the bells to auscultate. So I will start here. Based on my auscultation, no brood sounds are present. So next is I will palpate the light palpations up in all four quadrants. So, based on my expectations, and my patient has a slight bruise sounds. So that's it, my abdomen assessment for my patient. So sir, thank you so much for the cooperation. So thank you.